Yet.
Yes?
Because we haven't seen the movie, so we don't know yet. And apparently we haven't read the comic book either. Look, but he's super strong, right?
They have a secret power.
Secret powers, and he can jump, and he can move electricity.
He
Alright, show
flies.
everybody.
He flies.
I don't know if he can fly. We'll have to see.
Look! Like this.
I did see a comic book where
he goes like this.
Welcome to Matt's Playtime. Alright, we're really excited about the new movie Shazam coming out. It's about a teenage boy that goes down in the subway, I think, and meets somebody that can give him his superpowers, and he has to say his name, which is Shazam. This is actually a DC Comics character.
Yeah.
Who was actually the first Captain Marvel.
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. All right, Mattel, you made a good box. Let me help you.
Come here.
And you can open it. I'm just gonna open the top part, and then you can. Oh, we'll put some glue here.
Yeah. Glue. How do you put
And some
glue?
tape. Well, watch your finger. I don't want to hurt you. Okay. Okay, the top is open. I think you can get the rest, maybe.
Gecko muscles.
Gecko.
He's from Gecko.
PJ Maxx.
Yep. Think I got it.
Okay.
Woo! Think I got it. I think I got
We're gonna
it.
just rip the box. Who needs the box?
Me?
You think he's tied on the back? Oh, he is. Just a little bit. Yeah. All right, there you go. We got him. He has a white cape, gold boots, and he has electric powers, and I think he can jump. I don't know if he can fly yet.
Yes?
Because we haven't seen the movie, so we don't know yet. And apparently we haven't read the comic book either. Look, but he's super strong, right?
They have a secret power.
Secret powers, and he can jump, and he can move electricity.
He
All right, show
flies.
everybody.
He flies.
I don't know if he can fly. We'll have to see.
Look! Like this.
I did see a comic book where
He goes like
he
this. Like
met
this.
Superman.
Like this.
Whoa. Whoa.
So he have a new Pokémon.
So originally he was Captain Marvel with Marvel Comics, and then DC Comics, DC Comics, the Superman sued them over the rights since he had so many similar powers.
Look!
So DC Comics has taken over him. Yeah, and apparently he came to yoga, which is very good exercise as well.
He's doing fast.
All right, show him. Whoa! He's very quick. Look at his face. And the lightning bolt is so strong.
Look.
All right, thanks for watching
No,
Matt's Playtime.
no, he has
And he can do the
splits.
splits, which I definitely can't do. We can't wait to see Shazam. Go check it out at a theater. We'll go check it out at Alamo Drafthouse. All right, now we're at Santi's Corner, and we're gonna do some Pokemon cards, which I'm not overly familiar with. So,
But first, I have these new ones, kind of. And I have these. They were from my birthday.
that's a lot of cards, Santi.
Yeah. No,
What's your
maybe,
favorite one out of those?
This one. This one.
Ooh, that's a shiny card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 3 EX.
EX. What does the EX stand for? We're gonna look up what EX means. But they look super shiny. Show them
Yeah.
the 3 of them.
And I have these.
This one is a super big card. It's easier not to lose, potentially. Okay.
So these are the
All right. So we got a new pack, and it's looks very shiny as well.
Yeah.
It's part of the Sun and Moon Storm collection. You want to open it?
Yeah. Let's go. got this. A packet.
How many cards come with this?
Hey, Mom, can you open this? It's really hard to open that.
Yes, it is shiny.
Okay.
All right.
What I got.
We're hoping for some good ones.
I want good ones. Awesome. And I have more of these. Maybe I have like 9 or 10.
That's a lot.
I don't know, but
Ooh, what's that? And you got a fire energy?
yeah, I got a fire energy. That's
Okay.
nice.
That guy looks kind of like Pokemon.
Ooh, look. So we got this guy.
Let's show them the card. All right.
So we got that one.
Really neat. Lavatar.
Lavatar.
Okay. And then we got.
A whale.
Let's show them. This one
Yep.
looks really cool too.
And I have a fire energy.
That one's really cool.
Maybe I
Let's show them
have.
the rest that came in. Bull sprouts. And then this one.
I have 2 lightning bolts.
Ooh, those are strong. Nasty stuff.
And I
And look, we
have.
got this card. And the last chance potion trainer. And Regarok. He looks powerful. And we talked about the energy.
Yep.
And then this one. And Kate Lisa. Ooh,
Oh.
A trainer. Bill Maitner. Alright.
Oh, and comment down below what this energy is.
Wow, that's strong energy.
I don't know what it is.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Matt's Playtime and Santi's Corner. Stay tuned to see insights into future episodes. Subscribe and like.
Welcome back to Playtime.
Welcome to Matt's Playtime. All right, we went to the dollar store, which is one of Mommy's favorite places. And then we got some cool things, including Ryan's World things were there. We got a squishy and Pez.
No, it's a Velociraptor.
It's a Velociraptor Pez.
This is a Velociraptor egg.
Yeah, and an egg. And Matthew got a chocolate and some more candy. And then there's Peppa Pig, which we like watching Muddy Puddles. You want to open that one first? Huh? Okay, what do we get there?
The egg.
Can't wait to bring you the Flying Circus from Bealton, Virginia. And thank you for the continued support of Tribal Gear. Go check out their webpage. They got some cool stuff.